There may be an infinite number of really painful things that can happen to you, but there are not an infinite number of responses you can make to pain. In fact, if you sit back and think about it, there are only 4 things you can do when painful problems come into your life. The first thing you could do is you could solve the problem. You could figure out a way to either end the painful event, or you could figure out a way to leave the situation that's so painful. What's the second thing you could do? You could try to change how you feel about the problem. You could figure out a way to take a negative in your life and make it into a positive. What's your other option? You could just accept the problem. Okay, that's not everything you could do. There is a 4th alternative. What do you think it is? You could stay miserable. That's the only other option you've got. So you're going to have to either solve it, change how you feel about it, accept it, or stay miserable.